Hi, this is Sarah Collins, and today we're going to look at a great little app called Hopscotch. The very first time you open the app, you're going to get some friendly folks come up and you're going to select Get Started. Then it's going to ask you to choose an avatar. Now this isn't really going to play a big part later in the future, so just pick any avatar that makes you happy and you'll select Next. Then it wants you to pick a fun nickname. It will generate a nickname for you, which I'm just going to keep that one, but if you want to, you can change it to something else. Then you'll select Done. The home page of Hopscotch has a featured section here in which a lot of pre-made hopscotches are here for you to look at. Some different ones they've featured, have some fun animations and games. You can also go to the how-to section if you want to learn how to do backgrounds or how to get an emoji to be one of your characters, how to set up a timer. So some neat little how-tos all done in the Hopscotch format. Something new is branched. I really like the concept of branched because you can pick one that you like, add it to your collection of hopscotches, and actually see how they created the game. Let's look at Starcatcher. I'm going to tap on it one time, and it's a game where I'm going to tap on my arrows to try and catch stars. Well, I think this is neat, but I might want to make some changes to it. So let's go back here, and let's select Branch. When I do that, it goes to the Me section right here, and now I see Starcatcher. So if I tap on Starcatcher, I can now look at every piece by tapping on it and go through and edit it and make the game my own. Just a really neat feature. I can also see how the artist created this game, and that would help me maybe with the game I want to make in the future. Those are all under the Explore tab. Now the Me tab, let's talk about the Me tab right here. This is where I'm going to create my own projects. You see I have my Starcatcher now, but let's create a new one. Select New. First thing they want to do is just show me some rules, so take some time and read through those. And once you do, select Got It. And then what do you want to make? They have 3 pre-existing games you can kind of look at, or you can select Blank Project if you'd like to. Let's do a simple animation that requires a little bit of math skills. Let's go ahead and pick our bird and tap on him. And now I can take my finger on my iPad and move him around my screen. Notice the numbers that change when I move him around. Let's see here, right here. It tells me where I am on my grid. I've got X and Y axes, just like any type of grid, and these little blocks here go 50. So that's 50, 100, 150, 200, just to kind of give you an idea. When I've done that, I'm going to have them make a triangle. Let's throw some math in here. So I'm going to tap to give a rule. Look at all my choices here. And I'm just going to go with when the bird is tapped, when Flying Parrot is tapped, I want him to move. But I don't only want him to move, I want him to move and draw. So I'm going to have him move with a trail. Let's have him go 300. And I'll come down to my check, and I'm done. Now for him to make a triangle, I'll need him to rotate after he moves 300. Anybody know how many degrees I need him to rotate? If you said 120, you are right. Let's come over here and check. And now I'm going to repeat this. Move with trail. Let's go another 300. Rotate. Move with trail, 300. And rotate. And just for fun when this is done, let's look at his appearance. Let's have him grow. Say 300%. We'll go back to our Start button. We've got our code written in here. We've got our commands for our Flying Parrot. We'll go to Start. And I'm going to tap on the bird and let's see what happens. Okay, there. He did exactly what I wanted him to do. Fantastic.